Hey guys, Dino here, 3-star nomadic, and today we fuel up in Lavina. We get out and do the triangle of the waterfalls and the lakes. So we head up the hill and find ourselves at Gitgit Twin waterfalls, where somehow I managed to get charged 200,000 to enter. Scam alert! Anyway, the waterfalls were pretty good, guys, so we had a good look around there. Then we're gonna be heading up the hill, find a nice ridge up overlooking the lakes. Do the usual, get the drone up, have a look around, everything's going well, but hey, did I tell ya? Yeah, surprise, surprise, I saw a crash. So let's go have a look at all of this. Early morning, guys, Dino, 3-star nomadic. We're just filled up, cost me about $1. May the Bali gods be with us, and let's go find out. So here we are in a local village, guys. Got the local market here, and everyone's up bright and early getting their food. So I seem to have hit peak hour at 6:30 in the morning with all the school kids. They must start really early. Up the mountain now. But as you can see, for those of you that watched the video a couple of videos ago, when I tried to go up that little track to get to Mount Batur, this road is a lot different to that one. So hopefully it continues this way. I think you see all these crosswalks everywhere. There's been heaps of them today, a lot of schools around and that, but the funny thing about it is no one ever stops at them. And anyone that's crossing knows that they don't, so it seems a bit weird that they actually put them there, but maybe it's the thought that counts. I don't know. But it's free, it's starting to get really cold, so of course I don't have jumpers and that, but I did bring a big wind rain jacket on this trip, which I'd usually never do. But yeah, I think I'll probably be needing that one possibly, but it is beautiful. So I just thought I'd have a bit of a break. We're sort of going a fair way up the hill, probably halfway up the hill or a bit more. I see there's a sign here for Gitgit Waterfall, so I might go for a wander and see what I can find.
Yeah, because the money for the community, like education, is for the child.
And is this what? Is this? Do you work here all day?
Where you come from?
And how far do I walk to get to the waterfall?
It's around 10 minutes.
Yeah? And is there one or two?
3 waterfalls here.
3?
Yeah.
So I can keep walking this way? Alright. And it's 200.
Yeah.
And I don't have to pay any more?
No.
So I could go to all 3?
No.
All 3?
Yeah, all 3 waterfalls.
And it's 200?
Then I will show you there with bike.
Huh?
I will show you there with bike here.
Take bike?
Yeah, for my bike.
On your bike?
Yeah.
Or I take my bike?
Okay.
Alright, there you go. So,
Yeah.
no worries.
You wanna? Oh, this not your bike.
Huh?
You can take my bike.
Can I walk?
Yeah.
Can I just walk? Or
Yeah.
too far?
Yeah.
I can just walk?
Wait the bike.
Huh?
Wait the bike.
I'm not going to walk with the bike. Can I just walk?
Yeah, and then after you can walk with bike.
Yeah.
Later you can walk. Okay.
So you want me to ride my bike?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm not really sure what's happening. Probably just some dude that rocked up and grabbed some money from Singapore. So you can take your bike down, but there's no way I'm taking my bike. Taking the bike down here, so I'm just gonna walk it. He reckons about 10 minutes, but that doesn't matter. So as you saw there, 200,000. It pays for like 3 waterfalls, and so we'll go and see what we can see. I ended up getting a motorbike, a lift with that guy that I bought the ticket off. He come and grabbed me because it was a bit of a walk, but it was still fine. You could do it through the little tracks and over little bridges. But anyway, he dropped me off here and he said, wander down here and you'll see all the waterfalls. He told me which way to go, but I don't know. So there's the first glimpse of one of the waterfalls. I will say it's fairly slippery here. I got my runners on, so it got a bit of grip, but you know, a lot of moss and that, obviously going to be slippery, so a bit careful there. And unless you're a really experienced bike rider, when at the top, if they say ride down that track, don't do it. So we've got a sign here, Twin Waterfall, 20 metres that way. And then obviously back here, beautiful. Across here for now. Epic! So we might just go for a bit of a wander down this way. I just tried to get the drone up for a bit in that little area, but it was pretty gusty and I don't know, there was just a few things not looking so safe, so but we'll get a bit drone work here as we go through. And here is the magnificent waterfall. Awesome, look at that, that's beautiful. Yeah, you gotta love that. So they got one of these big swings here that you can swing right out and get your photos on. A little love heart seat here. You can get your picture on there. Right behind it. There's no way am I paying to go out on that bridge. I seem to be walking into a lot of spider webs through the main path, so that means I must be the first tourist here. Oh yeah! And actually down the bottom of these, and this probably isn't a huge waterfall, it gets really windy, you can see all my hair flowing back. Heaps of little paths you can come down and venture. Just got to be careful. As I say, it's pretty slippery. I don't think I'll go down that one. But yeah, it's a really nice walk, and I'm glad I did a bit of work on the at the gym on the stepper before I come over here, because I think there'll be a few steps done today. Anyway, we'll venture up river a bit more probably. Along here there's a little tent, little platforms there, so you must be able to camp here if you want. And up here I think is actually a bit of accommodation. Not a bad view to wake up to. Mate in the jungle here, keeping an eye on me. What's down that way?
Waterfall.
Another one?
Yeah, you ready? Then
No,
no?
I only just walk here.
Oh, you walk around
Up there?
50 meter.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I can waiting in the bike.
Yeah, no worries. Thanks, buddy. So he's sort of helping us out a bit, that guy, so I don't know if he meant to tip him or whether I've already paid for a guide in that, but whatever. Work it out as it goes. The temple here. Beautiful little place. Hello. Alright, so I did see a bridge here. But it's a bridge to nowhere, so that's alright. Ah, but we can see another waterfall from here. I get it. Ah, so there you go, guys. Come up a bit more and you get to see this one down here. Hope there's no troll. So it's not a bridge to nowhere. It'll take us up a little bit further. Guys, it's a beautiful twin waterfall. We venture on the go. I've got to learn to sit down and chill a bit now and then. No, I can't do it. Let's go. Alright, man.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your guidance.
Okay.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's the ride on the bike, the Wild West bike. And there we have the beautiful waterfalls. We got the old Batmobile in front of me here, blowing out the diesel. I'd sort of heard they'd had a lot of landslides up here, and they definitely had. Just back there you can see a lot of the roads sort of broken away, and yeah, you can see a bit of damage which is done, so it's obviously been a bad season for that, or that might be just normal, I don't know. So it looks like we're up on the lake, guys. Just come into town, got a few monkeys to welcome us in. Must have heard I was coming. 3 star nomadics in town. And all the monkeys come out. And the dogs. Could be time for brekkie. So guys, we're right on the top of the mountain. Obviously we can't see that clear down there, but that's straight down to the ocean. We go that way, straight down to the lake. It's like the end of the earth here. Where's all the monkeys? Just had to stop to have a bit of a rest and gone in and ordered some nasi goreng because I haven't had brekkie. It was a 6 o'clock takeoff today. It's about 9 now. Thought I'd come up to this little place. They said it's got a bit of a view, so... Holy cow, has it got a view? Time for a feed, yum. Well, the nasi goreng is beautiful, Bali coffee is spot on. So if you're coming along this top road of the lake, not a bad place to stop. Couldn't think of a better place to be for brekkie. Up on the, probably what I call the top road now. Just had a crash here. Well, there you go, guys. That's the eye opener straight in front of me. I didn't have the camera on, but those girls were just going straight through there. Car comes, some kids come straight out on their bike, straight in front of them. Bang. I think this girl seems like she's going to be all right, but they hit it at quite a speed. She did brake. She did really well, actually. So you take your chances over here. Just got to expect things are going to come out in front of you all the time. Bikes, dogs, monkeys. All right, so it seems like they've got out of it all right, but I mean, something like that can be fatal, you know. So anyway, I've seen it firsthand now, and I've got a few stories I can tell you from way back of good friends which have come off a lot worse, but that's for another day. But anyway, the gods were with them in a sense, because they're going to be fine. I'm going to ride home really, really slowly. Yeah, shakes you up when you see something like that. And to think I'm the next bike just behind them, you know, that's how close you are to someone's just pulling out in front of you. So, and they did that. Those kids that were on that bike, they just pulled straight out in front of those two girls. Oh man. Anyway, I'm taking this track now a different way home, so it's going to be a bit of a sort of bumpier, slower sort of road. So I'll just be cruising, and we'll see what we can see on the way, guys. The journey continues. Today we saw a waterfall, we saw a lake, we saw a crash, and we've seen beautiful scenery and beautiful views, And we've even seen a cow. So from Dino, 3-star nomadic, we'll catch you down the track.
Hey guys, Dino's friend Chippy the Chipmunk here. Dino works really hard on these videos, so give him a subscribe.
You don't want to pay the 5,000, just whip out the back. No worries, mate.